In this video, we will be learning how to split PDF in smartphone. So we have to install an app called PDF Converter. For that, we have to first click on the application. Now the application opens up. In the PDF tools, we have in the option of offline converter, we can get the option called PDF tools. While clicking on the PDF tools option, here the source file is showing as no file chosen. You have to click on the files and choose the file you want to split up. Then here the action is already selected as split itself, so let it be like that. So we need to select, we have to determine the total number of pages. If we have in the PDF of totally of 5 pages and we have to eliminate the last 2 pages, here there is a demonstration. If we have to save the pages, we have to put in the options 1 3 4 or accordingly, or we can select if I want to keep from the I don't want to keep the first page and I want to eliminate the first, and I want the page from second to end, towards end of the PDF. Then we have to type towards like this, second number, then we have to start position and we have to put the end position. Then what you have to simply do is to click here the submit option. After submitting, it will split up this PDF. That's how we uh, split up the PDF using Android. Thank you for watching.